Hello everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. Today I'm going to show you how to create this particle using Stardust plugin. It's very easy and let's get started. Okay, first create a new composition, then hit OK. Go to layer, new solid, and I'll call it Stardust. Then OK. Go to effects and presets and type Stardust. Double click or drag and drop, and here we go. Okay, go to emitter, set point to sphere, and speed change it to 0. Go to size Y, change it to 400, size X, size Y 400, and size Z 1. Go to transform and Z rotation, alt and click, and type here time times 30 and see. Yeah, go to layer, new camera, press OK, and camera tools, change it like this, then press C and move your particles like this and see. Okay, now again to Stardust effect and go to particle properties and change size to 1. Also emitter, particle per second, change it to 200. Really good. And see. Yeah, very good. Okay, now go to auxiliary and particle, Control D to copy. Take this particle down and yes. Go to auxiliary. Go to auxiliary and change speed to 0 and see. This is our okay. Now go to particle and change color. I'll choose this color and go to overlay, size, and put this point down. Also opacity, put this point down. Then go to particle tool and also change this color. Set normal to add. And go to overlay, size, put this point down, also opacity like this and see. Yeah, very good. Okay, now I'll go to emitter and particle, Control D to copy, and go to emitter and I'll change particle per second to 20, also speed to 100, and change uniform to which one? I think directional like this, and orient Y to 90. Okay, now I'll go to auxiliary again and go to particle 3 and Control D to copy. Okay, go to auxiliary, change speed to 0 and see. Okay, again go to emitter and direction span, change it to 0 and see. Yeah, very good. Okay, now I'll go to particle and I'll change life per second to 4. Also here I'll change it to 4. Maybe some life random here also. Particle like this. Okay, now I'll put it here. Okay, and change sphere to stretch, and I'll degrees stretch amount like this. Okay, now I'll go to camera. Press C. I want to yes, very good. Okay, this is our shape. Now I'll go to Stardust and camera pre-compose and Control V, and I'll go to effect, color, and color curves, effect, color, and color curves. Go to alpha and I'll change alpha like this. Also I go to effect, stylize, and glow. Then Control D to copy. Yes. Now I'll go to layer, new solid as a background. Then okay, put background down. Go to effect, generate, and gradient ramp, and I'll change this color like this, and also yeah. Okay, now I also go to layer, new solid, optical flares, then hit OK, go to effect, video copilot, and optical flares. On black, change it to on transparent, and I want to change this light like this. Also I'll move this open up like this, and this is our this is our tutorial today. So if you like it, don't forget like, share, subscribe, and goodbye.